Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the filework Christmas 2014 sock needle set. We had a special run for 2014 for Christmas. Each of those knives was made in 100 pieces as a limited edition for swissbianco. The tool combination and the color of those is really special. Each one of those knives has its own video on the swissbianco YouTube channel, and one of those set got sent to Tom Stratton here in USA, a US artist that does absolute great work with filework, the main blade of the Swiss Army knives. And this is all factory authorized, so the warranty and all that is fully covered. So only one set got done in that fashion. That set will be sold together as a set and not taken apart and split it up. So hopefully that will be in somebody's collection as a really unique collectible. So we're gonna have a look on the filework. The first two knives are Apocalypse green, that bright green, and we see the main blade is really nice filework. On the lower side on the blade we see the marlin spike sucking needle. The second one also in Apocalypse green. Then we have the first in Naranja orange, a really powerful bright orange, and that is already the only one with two main blades. It's one of the very few knives that we have in 93mm with two main blades. That is made by Victorinox for swissbianco and not available yet on other knives. Then the only blue one, nice deep blue. The second Naranja orange. Then we have the classic red with the silver shield. And the last one has a full red scale. That's a tradition that in Switzerland it started with the Swiss Army knife, the red Alox Swiss Army knife. Yeah, that much about the one-of-a-kind limited set of the Christmas 2014 run with Tom Stratton filework main blades.